Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have another OnePlus Nord with a broken display and we're gonna attempt to repair it. Let's check this baby out. So this is an exact model that we have fixed on our last episode, so it's very familiar to those who follow our channel, and you can see with that we have removed the tempered glass and the back glass is brand new. So we're gonna try to be gentle with it, just replace the broken display without incurring scratches or damages to the other components. And this is a pretty good color actually. So we're gonna remove this back cover. David has some practice on our previous OnePlus Nord and he's on it. Just clear some adhesives and the back cover is off. And unlike other smartphones, the connector for the display is in the daughter board at the bottom here. So we're gonna remove it and expose the connectors. So we're gonna disconnect this one and then try out our replacement display. So this is our replacement display. It's a brand new unit, and then we're gonna try to turn on the device. It's still 0% battery, I guess, and there's some warnings, but a few tries on it, it's now working. Right here. Even the touch is registering, so we're good to go. We're gonna perform the full disassembly after we properly shut down the device. And we're gonna put this aside first, and then we continue with the extraction of this daughter board and SIM card tray and everything in it. So this would allow us a free movement when we extract the broken display. And as you can see, it's fairly easy this time. And then we're gonna try to measure it because our last unit has been bent. The chassis has been bent, so we're gonna make sure that this one is straight as an arrow. We're gonna put some fresh adhesives to hold on to our replacement display. So if you don't have this one, don't attempt a DIY screen replacement in your OnePlus Nord because you will have to use tapes instead of adhesives, and that's not pro. David is a pro, so he has the proper tools and experience and of course the skills to perform these repairs. Pretty fast, reverse the process, and we're almost done. The shield is back, and then all we have to do now is to install the back cover and do some testing. So don't forget guys, if you have OnePlus smartphones just like this OnePlus Nord that needs a screen replacement, message us or call us or visit us in Sydney CBD Repair Centre and we'll perform these exact repair steps for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video guys, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. And as always, we're happy to be with you here. We're happy to be of service. Until next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.